The AmeriCorps NCCC Earth 2 team sets off to serve on their Round 3 project with the Borderlands Restoration Network. On Mondays, we assisted the Borderlands seed barn, where seeds are separated from the plant to increase native planting in the region. Tuesdays, Earth 2 spent time with the watershed restoration workers, better known as the Rock Crew. Here they would find a spot where water had eroded the land and built rock structures to decrease erosion and increase sediment. Wednesdays, the team went to the Borderlands plant nursery, where they repotted plants, weeded, laid weed cloth, removed and replaced old pallets, and of course, pet the cats and dogs. Thursdays, our AmeriCorps team split their time between taking down invasive tumbleweed plants and working at the Borderlands Earth Care Center to improve and give insight on the space. Friday, our team worked with the Nature Conservancy to build a fire break right next to the town of Patagonia. The team worked on fuel thinning and invasive species removal. Also, the team participated in an annual fish survey, where the team learned how to correctly catch, record, and release the different species of fish in the Sonoyta Creek. We wish the Borderlands Restoration Network and the town of Patagonia the best of luck.